Early this morning, my cell phone lit up, people saying, "What is that falling from the sky?" Of course, it was sleet in parts of the valley and lasted just a couple of minutes, but a lot of folks got video of it. Check that out on our Facebook page. And how did that happen? Because the temperature here was like 45, 46 degrees. Well, the cold air kind of came in a wedge, and that often happens. And even though it was 46 degrees here at the surface, as you go up in the atmosphere, temperature goes down to 40, get a little higher, 31 degrees at exactly 2,710 feet. Dropped down to 28, a little bit above that, and at 4,200 feet, it was 31. Then above that, it was warmer. 38 degrees up close to 5,000 feet. So what happens is a raindrop that's falling way up high enters this little sliver of air in here that's below freezing, and the raindrop freezes, turns into a kind of an ice pellet that falls as sleet. Now, most of those drops evaporated, didn't evaporate, they turned back into raindrops. They melted before they got to the ground and started bouncing. And so you saw a few little pellets of ice, you saw some sleet, but you also saw a lot of raindrops mixed in. But again, a lot of those little balls of ice, those little pieces of sleet were melting before reaching the ground. So you saw mostly rain, but a little bit of sleet mixed in because of this thin layer right up here. The balloon launch from Brownsville tells us what the temperatures are up there. That was done early this morning, so that's how we know exactly where that layer was. That freeze warning is still in effect for tonight, a wind chill advisory as well. Our current temperatures look like this. It's still 41 in Weslaco, 40 in Harlingen, 44 Port Isabel, 36 in Rio Grande City. We think in Rio Grande City it'll drop to about 28, spending 5 hours at or below freezing. Most places closer to freezing than that. McAllen probably won't go below, but this is a city temperature. If you're out in the country just a little ways, you can certainly get cooler than that. Now tomorrow we do bounce back close to 60 across much of the area. Sunny skies, northerly winds, no threat of rain, and then tomorrow night potential for temperatures to drop to near freezing once again. The normal high for this time of year is 81. We're not going to get there anytime soon. We don't see it the next 7 days. Temperatures staying well below average, especially tomorrow and Thursday, back in the 70s on Friday and for the weekend. Radar's cleared out. The clouds, boom, they pretty much cleared out as well. Just patchy stuff left over the lower valley. And overnight tonight should stay clear. Freezing temperatures in a few places by first thing in the morning. By midday, we're back in sunshine and temperatures warming up. Thursday, we do it again, near freezing one more time to start the day, but sunshine takes over, warms it back up again. And Friday, we start chilly, but not as chilly, and sunshine pushes temperatures, as we showed you, back in the 70s. So our rain chance is gone for the next few days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be dry, dry, and dry again. All the rain's moved out in the Gulf of Mexico and will continue to push away as the cold air kind of settles down in on top of us. That high pressure ridge will slowly move to the east. It's going to take some time to do that, though. Once it gets over to Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, southeast wind kicks in. Next front due in the area Sunday, that could trigger a few showers Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In the bay, northwest winds, north to northwest winds, 15 to 25 knots. A choppy bay. UV index is high. Our low tonight, an average of about 32. A freeze warning in effect from midnight until 9 a.m. Then tomorrow, we're back to 59. Sunny and cool northwest winds at 10 to 18. So 59 tomorrow after a low of 32, back to 33 tomorrow night, really close, almost the same. So again, a possibility of a freeze. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 72, 76, 76. A front on Sunday doesn't really cool it off, but what it does do is bring the clouds back and the chance of showers for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Temperatures stay in the 70s, at least that's what it looks like at this point. But tonight, freeze warning in effect midnight until 9 a.m. Temperatures are very near freezing. The farther north and west you go, the more likely you are to see freezing temperatures.